Caleb, show Mama where's the dam.
Yeah.
Is that the dam?
Yes.
Okay, and where are the birds?
Over there.
Come show Mommy where they
That's
are.
the bird they're gonna fly.
Is that the little birdhouse? And look at the golf carts. They're all decorated for Halloween. Can you see?
That's the bird that's flying away.
Can you see the golf carts? They're all decorated for Halloween, Caleb.
This now.
Okay, so Caleb, tell me, what color are the trees?
I think they're the green.
You think they're green? That's correct. The trees are green.
There's only flowers over there.
Where are the flowers?
There.
What color are those flowers?
That's orange.
Oh, well done. Orange.
Let's go find more.
Okay, what are we going to look for? More colors.
Yes, come on.
Okay, Mommy's coming.
Let's do this side.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm not coming. Oh,
What can you spot there?
I didn't see the other flowers.
What color are those flowers?
They're yellow.
Yes, they're yellow. Well done, my brilliant boy.
What's the last one?
You show Mommy.
Okay. Over. There's green over there.
Let's see if we can look together. So those are green plants and green trees, and the grass is what color?
The green.
Yes, the grass is green. And Caleb, look at those birds there in the island. Look at all their bird nests. Can you see? They're eating their yummy yummies. And Caleb, look at there, the dam. Look at the ducks swimming in the dam. Yes, 5 little ducks went swimming one day. Can you see the mommy duck and the baby ducks? There, the mommy duck is in the front, and the baby ducks are following her. What color is the sky? It's blue, and the clouds, what color are the
I
clouds?
can't see it. It's right over there.
No, there's the clouds here. What color are they?
The white.
Yes, my
And the
clever
sun
boy, they're
is-
white.
The sun is yellow.
The sun is yellow.
Yeah.
Are we going to look for more flowers? Let's go find more flowers. Look at these flowers here, how pretty they are. Right here, these yellow ones. Can you see?
Let's go find more. There's the purple ones in here.
Are these purple?
Let's go find more. There's one of the white ones up there.
Okay, let's go.
There's the white one.
Are you going to break a flower and give it to Mommy? 2. More, okay. Do you like the flowers? All done. Show Mommy your flowers. Do they smell nice? Let's smell. Mmm, they smell so nice.
There's one over there. There's one over there.
What pretty plants we have outside.
Who's that there? Who's that there? That's not my house.
No, that's not your house.
That's my house there. Let's look.
Can you hear the bird? The bird is in the tree. Where is it? Mommy can hear it. But Mommy can't see it. Oh, I think I can see it. Come. No, there's no airplanes in the sky right now. Look at how pretty all these plants are. Plants are good for us, Caleb, because they provide oxygen. Okay, let's we go. So it's good to go for a walk, Caleb. It's good to exercise. It's good to be outside in the fresh air, to have oxygen. Okay, for the brain. Look at these flowers. These are pretty, but don't touch because those ends of the plant are focusing. Let's see your petals. So those are called petals. Oh, Caleb, you've got such a nice t-shirt on. Who's that on your t-shirt? John Cena. Oh, wow.
I'm red.
Yes, you're wearing a red John Cena t-shirt.
Come on.
Okay.
What's that there? Look.
That's a mirror. That's a reflective mirror, so when people are driving up or down, they can see each other, and so they don't knock each other.
The bus is not here.
Is there nobody here?
Yeah, they're gone.
Where they gone to?
Look, we'll find them.
It's so nice outside, Caleb. There's so many nice colors.
Look over there.
Okay, but first tell mommy all the colors that you can see. What colors can you see?
The Easter egg coming.
Hmm? That's not an Easter egg, that's a garden mushroom. And look at the garden gnomes. Can you see them? Yes, it is a beautiful, nice day.
I like to go walk.
You like to go walk.
Oh, what's over there?
Well, that's good. It's good to exercise.
I'm just seeing more flowers.
Okay,
Look, look. Let's have a one there.
come. Let's have a look at that flower. Let's stand here. Oh, it's a pretty flower. What color are these flowers, Caleb?
Lola.
Yes, they're yellow. Do you like them? Caleb, did you see these flowers? They're blue. They're so pretty.